We love
Love.
doing paper crafts. We especially love making paper boxes, and since it's the season of giving, we're planning to make boxes in all sorts of shapes and sizes to fill up with candy and give to our friends and our family. So for today's video, we're making pyramid-shaped boxes.
Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to our channel.
To make the pyramid boxes, we used
Cardstock, glue, tape, scissors, and a paper cutter.
So we started off by cutting out an isosceles triangle, ooh that sounded smart, to use as a stencil. This will be the size of the sides of our box. Then we decided what color cardstock to use, flipped it over, and traced the stencil onto the plain side of the paper. To do this, we traced the stencil once, then flipped it and traced it again like so. We wanted our box to have 4 sides, so we traced the stencil 4 times. If you would like your box to have 3 sides, trace it 3 and so on. We've made these boxes with 3 and 4 sides. You need to leave a little space between the edge of the paper and the stencil because there needs to be a flap there. After that, we do the bottom flaps and then cut the whole thing out. You should end up with roughly this shape. Then we took our paper cutter and made indents on all of our drawn lines. That way, it'll be easier to fold the cardstock and the folds will be more accurate. We wanted our box to have one longer flap on the bottom that you would fold inside to close the box. So we attached some extra cardstock to that flap to make it long enough. Then we trimmed the sides so that it would fit inside the triangular box. Now it's time to put the box together. We started by gluing down the smallest flap on the bottom of the box. This way, we can tuck in the longer flap to close the box. After that, we glued the side tab to the other end of the cardstock like so. If you've seen any of our previous paper craft videos, then you know what we're talking about. If not, go watch them. Thanks. So now all that's left is to tuck in the bottom fold and voila! The box is finished. And here's another pyramid box we made. This one has 3 sides. And these are all the pyramid boxes we made.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this video.
Bye!